Hi, my name is Joe Jensen from Tayco Electric and Solar, and today I want to break down how a solar warranty works. This is a very important factor when you consider solar and the manufacturer and the installation company you choose. There are four main things to think about in the warranty. First is the performance over time, known as degradation. Like you and I, as we get older, we don't work as well as we used to when we were younger. Solar is susceptible to this year over year. This is called degradation. Some warranty companies are going to have this a warranty of 25 years, and it's going to be variable depending on the technology. The best in the industry have a 0.25% year-over-year degradation rate, so around 92% production in year 25 versus year 1. Then you have other ones that are going to be 0.5 or 0.7%, so you're looking at 85 to maybe 80%. You look at this part of the warranty, it's super important because this is savings over time. As the product gets older, you will save less. The next part of the warranty would be a product warranty, also from the manufacturer. These range from about 10, 12, and even 25 years. So this is important because if the product fails, you want to make sure the manufacturer will stand behind it and give you full replacement in that warranty period. So you typically would want to have a 25-year warranty for this situation. The next part of the warranty is a variable. Not every manufacturer offers it. And this is going to be on labor and even possibly shipping. So some of the best companies out there have a 25-year warranty on labor and shipping. This is important because you're investing today on savings over time. If the product fails in that 25 years, you want to make sure that the manufacturer is there to stand behind it and will pay to have it fixed on your behalf. The last part of the warranty is going to be typically from the installation company, and this is on roof leaks or components that they are adding, like electrical components. So these can be variable from company to company, and you really want to talk to them on how their warranty and installation works. Typically, it's a roof leak warranty, which is super important. We'll talk more about that in future videos, but give us a call and we'll talk about the different warranty options for you.